Hey guys, this is Business 101. So this is how you're gonna make a business and actually really go ahead and control the business. So, lawn mowing. This is how to build a lawn mowing business. It can work with anything. So you wanna find a business that you would actually trust and love, that yourself would do. So if you go ahead and do like lawn mowing, like what I'm doing right now, I'll charge 45 a lawn. 45 a lawn, you won't think that it's not bad. 45 a lawn. It's good for where I live. I'm not gonna leak where I live. But when you wanna go into lawn business and like go into this stuff, you really wanna know how you do it. So you really wanna get good at what you're doing. So whatever you're gonna start, you wanna know how to do it. You wanna like know. So charge 45 a lawn. Charge 45 for front and back, plus blowing, weed eating, and edging. So, okay, so what do you want to charge for what you're doing? So with this, you're charging 45 a lawn, front and back. And you do that, and you have 10 lawns. So you're making $450 a week. And now you times that by 4, you're making 1,800 for a month. You're in plus that with your weekly income, within your monthly income, you're getting 2,600. Dang, for a yearly income for just mowing lawns, you get $21,600. So that's in your overall income for a year. So when you want to keep on building this business and you really build the business, you really want to start off like slow, like and go door knock, hang up flyers, and business cards. That's all I have. I door knock, business cards, and I have a Facebook account and an Instagram account. If you want to go hit that Facebook account, we're trying to get that up to around 100 followers right now. Go ahead and go Mays's Lawn Mowing on Facebook, MAYS apostrophe lawn mowing. Okay, so also hit the like and subscribe button if you really think this actually helped for you. So when you go into the business, you really want to go ahead and find something you like. Personally, I recommend the Turo Recycler 22-inch without personal pace. It really works. It's so good. You will not hate it. It will start, if you have it uneven sometimes, it will get some extra oil and blow out some like smoke. Just let it run and it's perfectly fine just to burn out that extra oil. I have no problems with mine right now. No problems. Steel equipment. Go with steel equipment. I love it. So FS40C is my weed eater right now. BG50 leaf blower. I forgot what my steel edger was. I think it's a FS50 5060, yeah, 5060. Yeah, so when you keep on going through your business, you're gonna build up to a riding lawnmower, then you're gonna build up to a walker lawnmower, and you're gonna really need someone to tow all this stuff around. So you want like a truck. Right now, I have 7 years of trusted experience. And by the way, I'm only 13. So I've been mowing since I was like 6. So perfect, beautiful lawns. Wait, no, that doesn't turn out. What is 6 plus 6? 14. I've been mowing for 6 years. It's 13, yeah. I've been mowing for 7 years. Yes, my fault. So really go ahead and get into your business. Charge 45 for front and back is really all you gotta do. Door knock and have Instagram and Facebook accounts. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if this really helped you. We're on a road to 1 million subscribers before the end of the year. And I will keep on posting about this good stuff for you guys. So, plus, always just go with your business. Never back down. So just keep on going and you will start building up your stuff. Okay, peace out, guys.